Hello, everyone. I'm Naoki Iwata, and we're Team 3. We work with Nathan Muncie from Superior Tire and Rubber Corporation to design a robotic pad printing work cell. Superior Tire and Rubber Corporation specializes in the manufacturing of polyurethane rubber industrial components. The objective of this project is to utilize a collaborative robot to offset labor for the pad printing, the company logo, and etching the item number for the different dimension wheels. Important information to know is that the robot does not need to compete with the human operator. Next, passing on to Keith for work cell layout.
Hi, everyone, and thank you, Naoki. I'm Keith from Volkenburg, and I want to discuss with you the work cell layout. Now, our goal with this was to identify which pieces were necessary to be able to replace a human operator. Now, with this, we have an accumulation table, which is the number 1. This feeds into the conveyor. From there, the robot proceeds to take the part and service it at both the etcher and the pad printer, and from there is inspected for quality and separates it from good and bad. Now, each component on that previous slide, we then worked with our vendors, Neff Automation and Nurcon Conveyors, to get some pricing. And now with that, we have an initial budget that we were handed from Nate of $100,000 that we were able to have an actualization of savings of around $8,000. Now I'm going to hand it off to Evan for the simulation output with Simio.
Yeah, I'm Evan, and I'm going to talk through the simulation results a little bit and just show you a performance evaluation of the work cell. So as you run this model, you can see the wheel go through the stations. Each of these paths represent the robot moving between each station, and each station has an associated time that was recorded during site visits. Now, once the wheel hits the sink, a new wheel is going to be released, and every time that a wheel hits the good wheel or the bad wheel, it will be added to this ticker up here. Now, looking at the actual results of the simulation, you can see that across 30 replications, it takes an average of 100 minutes to complete a 150 wheel order. And in those 150 wheels, 143 are good and 7 are bad, which this is well within the parameters that Superior Tire wanted from our results of this simulation.